Sunday morning in the Christmas season. And son suggested we make focaccia bread. So we got 2.5 cups of flour. Yes, it is 2.5, and a cup and 1/4 cup of warm water. It says on here a teaspoon, but yeah, we put more. Oil in the bowl. I put in our yeast that we had in the water, dissolving, or term for that. And I'm just now making sure I blend in all the flour put in here with the liquid. Instructions are that we're going to make flat bread, and that sounds good on a fall or winter day, and we'll just continue with this video. I've finished kneading and mixing the water with the flour, and it's all absorbed. You can see here. I'm going to just punch it down, cover it with plastic wrap, let it rise for 15 minutes. Get the woody stuff out of here. My hands are wet.
Later.
Oh, I got it.
It has approved, it's risen. You can, that will show you how it has risen. So we're going to put a little bit of olive oil on the bottom of the pan, but we don't want it to stick. And I'll just spread it now. Also, we need to turn the oven on. 500, so here we are. 500, start. That'll, while we spread the bread dough on the pan. I'm going to spread this to the size of the pan. You want to, you can say, I hate you. There'll be no fight because you can't hear you. Now that we have spread the bread dough, we're going to lightly it with olive oil, followed by salt and rosemary picked. So you see it. I think this is just about enough olive oil. It's like pause. Well, I guess I could have done the other way. I always like to be very careful in sprinkling because sometimes it could be a little bit too much. Minced the rosemary. Put a little on here, but not too heavily because some of us don't like rosemary. I love the taste, but some of us don't. So I'll do it very lightly. See right there. I pretend I'm her, but she was pretty funny. Well, you know. You can whip up something like this before any meal is heated. And here's what it looks like. Put it in. And this is focaccia bread. You see this little sprinkles of rosemary there. How it goes. Christmas, everyone. I decorated my Christmas tree last night. I'm gonna enjoy it for the next month. Love it. All my decorations. This is a memory tree. Pictures of my grandkids. I have pictures of my friends and little ornaments my friends gave me from years back. It's very special, and I call it my memory tree. The finished product, but I think that next time I would bake it much less. The flavor is gonna be great. It'll be great with soup.